What are you doing, Spencer? Get him! Get him! Tackle him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Said he's getting aggressive. What? You. Oh, he goes for the hair.
Get him! Go get him! Go get him, Spencer! Go get Tweety Bird! Go get him! Get him, Spencer!
It is 10 o'clock. She's taking a shower? Whoa. Oh, what did I say? Well, my Pepsi's going flat.
Get Tweety Bird, Spencer! Get him! Turn him around, Morgan.
What?
Tweety. Oh, there he is.
But Emma's gonna probably be happy to see you. Emma probably enjoys her break too.
Get him! Oh, wait. Love on Tweety Bird. Love the Tweety Bird. Oh, wait.
Can you get Tweety Bird sugar? We're pulling Tweety Bird's hair.
Give Tweety Bird a kiss. Mwah.
I got a passy in my mouth. What are you talking about? I'm gonna get it. I got a binky.
Give Tweety Bird kisses. He said, give me that back. Give me that back. Thank you. Say bye-bye.
There sure are a lot of
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, wait a
Bye-bye.
minute. I'm just going to tell you now, if Spencer's across the table from you, and you get up either from lunch, dinner, breakfast, or whatever, don't say bye. Just say